Hello, today we will guide you through how to add the 200-day SMA on ThinkorSwim. The 200-day simple moving average is one of the most watched lines in technical analysis. It smooths out price over roughly 9 months of trading days, helping you see the dominant trend and potential areas of support or resistance. Let's add it to your chart so it's there every time you analyze a symbol. Start by opening the ThinkorSwim platform. You can use the web version in your browser or launch the desktop application. Once you're in, head to your charting workspace. If you don't see a price chart yet, select the charts view so you have a candle or bar chart on screen for the symbol you're analyzing. Next, look for the Studies control on the chart. On most layouts, it appears near the top of the chart area and may be represented by a beaker icon. Click Studies, then choose Edit Studies. This opens the Studies panel where you can search, add, and configure technical indicators. In the search field of the Studies panel, type Daily SMA. You should see a result named Daily SMA. Click it to add the study to your chart's list of active studies. With Daily SMA added, locate its Settings icon, usually shown as a small gear next to the study name, and open it. In the Settings window, find the length or period field and enter 200. This tells the study to calculate the average based on the last 200 trading days. While you're here, you can optionally adjust the line color and thickness so the 200-day line stands out clearly against your candles. Pick a color that contrasts well with your chart background to make it easy to spot at a glance. When you're satisfied, click OK to confirm your settings. You should now see a smooth line running across your price chart, representing the 200-day simple moving average. If you do not see the line immediately, make sure you're viewing a symbol with enough history and that the chart is not overly zoomed in. The Daily SMA study calculates on daily bars, so it will display consistently even if you're viewing intraday timeframes. A quick tip for interpretation. When price is consistently above the 200-day SMA, many traders consider the longer-term trend to be up. When it's below, the trend may be weakening or down. You can also use the settings you adjusted to keep the line visible and readable across different symbols. That's it. You've successfully added the 200-day SMA to your ThinkorSwim chart. Happy analyzing, and enjoy a cleaner view of the long-term trend in your trading workflow.